In the late
There are people alive right now, walking, talking, laughing, with literally half their brain missing. Not damaged, not injured, physically removed. Surgeons took it out on purpose.
Not damaged. And the craziest part? Some of them, you'd never know just by talking to them. So here's the question that's about to break your brain. You'd never know just by talking to them. Literally.
If you can lose half your brain and still be you, how much of you is actually replaceable?
Stay till the end, because the answer is way weirder than the surgery. This surgery is called a hemispherectomy. Doctors remove one entire half of the brain. It's been done since the 1920s, mostly on kids, for one brutal reason. The condition's called Rasmussen's encephalitis. One side of the brain gets so inflamed, it triggers seizures, not once a day, sometimes over 100 seizures a day. So doctors face an insane choice. Leave it in, and it destroys the healthy side too. Or cut it out completely. That gamble has a name, neuroplasticity, and what it can do will mess with your head. 1996, 8-year-old girl, Christina Santhouse, 100 seizures a day. Doctors at Johns Hopkins made the call. Remove her entire right hemisphere. Age 8, half her brain, gone. Everyone expected permanent, severe disability. Left side of her body, controlled by that missing half, expect to stay broken. Instead, her remaining brain started rewiring itself in real time, controlled by that missing. Christina didn't just survive, she graduated college. She became a medical worker, treating other patients. All that's left? A slight limp. That's it. That's the only visible proof half her brain is missing. But Christina's story isn't even the craziest one. Meet Jodie Miller. Seizures started at 3 months old. By age 3, up to 120 seizures a day. Picture that, her brain short-circuiting over 100 times every single day while she's just trying to grow up. 2003, age 6. Surgeons remove her left hemisphere, the side that controls language in most people. By every textbook, she should have lost her ability to speak. Forever.
Apple.
She didn't. Her right hemisphere, a side that was never built for language, took it over almost completely. Reads. She lives independently. The seizures are gone. But her voice, her memories, her personality, none of that vanished with the missing tissue. Okay, stop scrolling in your head for a second. Actually think about this. You believe your personality lives in your brain. Your memories, your humor, your love for people. Somewhere in that 3-pound mass, that's supposedly you. So when you remove half of it, and the person wakes up still knowing their mom's face, still laughing at old jokes, where did all of that actually live? Neuroscientists don't fully agree, but the leading theory will genuinely mess with you.
Identity isn't stored in one spot. It's not a file waiting to be deleted. It's spread out, backed up, rebuildable. One more case takes this even further. Cameron Mott, diagnosed at age 3. Same disease, same surgery.
Left hemisphere removed completely.
She went home just 8 days after losing half her brain.
walking, talking, acting like herself.
A slight limp, that was the only trade.
Here's what should actually freak you out. Doctors going into this surgery often can't fully predict what survives. Language, memory, humor, personality. They're literally betting the other half can absorb it all. For decades, science believed each brain region does one job: damage it, lose it, forever. These cases broke that rule completely, which means the truth scientists still don't have is way more picture of the brain reorganizes this fast. There are theories, rerouted brain pathways, new connections forming almost overnight, but no complete answer yet. What we do know, the younger the surgery happens, the more complete the recovery. These cases broke that rule completely, which means there's a silent clock running in every human brain, a window where it can rebuild itself from scratch that quietly closes as you get older. But here's the part there are theories, rerouted brain pathways, new connections forming almost, but no complete answer. It's HAST. In some cases, major rewiring started within weeks of surgery, not years. Your brain, right now, watching this, has that exact same rebuilding machinery sitting inside it. Dormant, unused, because it's never had to prove it, sitting inside it. These patients didn't lose themselves. Their brains just proved something that was true the whole time. Christina Santhouse, Jodie Miller, Cameron Mott, 3 people, 3 missing hemispheres, 3 lives that kept going. Recognizably, unmistakably, still them. So next time you think, recognizably, or memories are permanently glued to your biology, remember, recognizably proving exactly are permanently glued to your biology. Recognizably proving exactly are permanent. That's exactly why this channel exists.
Like the video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.